So hi Guda, we have here the Guda's E30. So tell me Guda, last time when we filmed your E30 it was completely different, right?
Yeah.
Like it was more like more like a rat rod kind of, remember?
Yeah, exactly.
So now you put it a much more budget because people were like saying, oh, how come you
No.
don't put enough love into this E30? So is that why you painted the car and everything?
Well, I was thinking of it for quite a while. Yeah.
Oh,
But yeah, finally decided to do the move and repaint it, do a little restoration. Yeah. So
nice. So today we have the E30. Tell us what did you do compared to last time? Like you told me there's the paint job. You said the transmission too.
Yeah.
And we have the very nice wheels.
Yeah.
Right
so since last time, I painted the whole car. It's a Nardo Grey from Audi.
Okay.
I changed the transmission for a G260.
Okay.
It's a known stronger transmission, and then I have changed the exhaust system for a E36.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah.
So it's quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet now.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's very fun. So we're gonna take a spin and we're gonna take a look at the car.
Just unbolt the hydraulic mechanism.
Because I remember on the E36 there's a special kit that you have to buy to convert into to remove the clutch fan.
Yeah,
And
it's a huge wrench.
and it's super slim too. I
Yeah.
remember. But I really like riding in this car. So your seats are RS6.
Yeah, change the seat also.
Did you do the modification for the sliders and everything? Or it was
Yeah, it's
pretty easy?
the sliders from the RS6. I just made some brackets.
Hey, close. The second gear and the third,
Yeah.
good ratio. Very
Yeah,
good ratio.
Because now with the other transmission, it's
Short gear?
no, it's longer now.
Is it longer?
Yeah.
But before it was super short, no? I remember.
Before it was really short.
Ah, so that's the difference. That's very cool. So you have the super rare Rays wheels on it.
Yeah.
Do you plan on upgrading the brakes one day or?
Well, I did bought some Hawk HP Plus pads, but they are too crazy for the streets.
Oh, so they keep on screaming, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. I like how it downshifts.
Yeah, it's really smooth.
So you told me your plans is stroking this engine, right?
Yeah.
Because now it's a 2.5. You wanted
It's
to make it
2.5.
3 liters.
Yeah, exactly.
With you show me crankshafts, camshafts.
It's a pretty well-known upgrade for the 2.5.
Okay. In the
It's,
BMW community.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's nice.
I just need to swap in the rotating assembly from a 330i and get the camshaft also. Intake cam only.
Ah, but after that you'll need the tuning, right? For sure, because everything is different.
Exactly. Yeah.
Ah, to get the maximum power too.
Mm-hmm.
So how much power will you get after you do that?
People are
Estimating kind of.
Yeah, they're estimating 230 to the crank.
Wow, still not bad.
Yeah.
So maybe 200 to the wheels, around, or
Yeah, around. I would say.
that's still very good. So it's faster than the M3 E36. Because I remember E36 M3 is not that fast.
No.
Well, the US version anyways. But the European version, it was super fast.
Yeah.
I I'm surprised. Because usually, you know, those old vehicles, very good handling.
Yeah.
So far, I guess you really like this car?
Yeah.
After all this passion and time you put in, and then it's gonna
Just
get
just trying to save an E30.
There's money to be saved, I think, especially in Canada,
Yeah.
because a lot of them are getting like rusted, stuff like that. Thank you very much, Guda.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Hope we're gonna see some updates on this car once again. So this is the take 2 for Guda's E30. See you guys.